Hi, thanks for joining me in my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. We kind of get into what's impacting mortgage rates on any given day. We try to set these up on a daily basis and let you know what is kind of impacting or what impacting rates on that day, whether if it's economic data or if it's headline news or the market sentiment, if it's going up or down. We want to get that information out to you and let you know what's also ahead in the week ahead. If there's any catalyst to be announced or if there's going to be anything that investors might have serious consideration, that could be a market mover. So a little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender. So if you guys got questions about mortgage rates or if you guys just simply got questions about the process or mortgage programs that are available out there, please feel free to reach out. We're here to help. If you guys are, we love to earn your business. So if you guys are in the process of refinance or looking to refinance or purchase, please reach out. We'd love to be able to help you guys out and earn your business here. We've got a lot of great programs here, a lot of great rates, and great service. So we're here to help. Without further ado, why don't we jump right into the economic report today? I'm going to go on a different page. Normally, I'll just read it off of this, but there's a little bit more on this other one here. And this, we can also take a look what's the week ahead as well. So today we get the durable goods orders right here for the month of August. So the previous report for July was actually revised lower. Prior was at minus 0.1%. Now that was revised higher if you go back to here up to 0.5%. For some reason they did not give the revision on the other sheet there, so it was actually revised higher to 0.5%, which is obviously good news for that. Forecast for this week was for this month was at 0.7%, and it came in at much higher at 1.8%, which is obviously good news there. Now, if you take out the big ticket items like transportation, we have back in or July, it was at 0.8%, but 0.5% forecast, and it came in only at 0.2%. So obviously the big ticket items is what really drove that durable goods orders for the month of August here, as you can see there. We also got some trading this week, so this is something that could be a little volatile for the week. Is we got the 2-year note auctions. We got each day almost. We got some auctions going on this week, and that could impact the mortgage rates and yields here. And then this week we also got a big one that will be coming in. We got the GDP data coming in on Thursday, but also PCE, which is the Fed's favorite gauge for inflation. So this will be a big mover here to see if we did peak or if it go or we do see another spike in inflation. This will be interesting to watch for coming ahead on Friday. So most of the big ones that we'll be looking for will be coming in late in the week. However, durable goods orders is something that will move the markets as well. It is an important data piece that we look at here. So let's go back here and take a look here. Looking at the rates here, we are currently down 13 basis points from when we left off on Friday. So as you saw here, we started off lower, came up, and then from there downwards, we're down about 13 basis points right now. As you can see, we did have some wicks on both ends here where we were higher, but we are also lower. So we cut those losses a bit. And then treasuries, we're just they're touching way up here in the 150 range. We've subsided a little bit and are just under 148 right now on that. So those are obviously important. Headline news today is we do got some Fed speakers that can also move the markets. We had a kind of an interesting take here from Chicago Fed Evans that he was more concerned that we may not have enough inflation instead of too much inflation running too hot. So he actually has a different take on than what we've been hearing from a lot of other people. So thought that was interesting. As well as we got Eric Rosengren, who is the Fed out of on the Fed out of Boston, and he announced that he'll be retiring due to health reasons at the end of this month here, which will be Thursday. So initially, this was kind of a surprise, but health issues just kind of forced him to retire a little bit earlier. We got some headline news also. We got other stuff going on like in China that could pose some problems over here since we rely on them for their manufacturing. They had due to some energy. We're having a global energy crisis going on right now where we're seeing China had some power shortages, so they had to do some forced closings of factories over there. So that's going to probably delay more product to be shipped over. And then UK, due to a lack of drivers, people are hoarding gasoline and stuff over there, and they're having some shortages on gasoline as well. And then we had Costco announce, I don't know if you haven't heard it, they announced that they were going to put some limits on water and toilet paper, so people aren't hoarding those as well, like what we've seen in the past here as well. And then that's pretty much about it. Pfizer announced that they were going to come out with hopefully another for younger kids testings for that between 5 and I think 11 on there. So that's underway, and that's pretty much about it. And if you look at the rates here down below here, I'd love to make this bigger. Unfortunately, I cannot. If I click on it, nothing's going to happen there, so I can't make it bigger. But as you can see here, we've been seeing that rise a bit. So the 15-year is at 2.5, 2.55, and the 30-year has come up to about 3.13 right now. Again, these do include kind of points. These are kind of like the national average right now for those rates, and of course they're based off of conforming loans as well. All right, folks. I hope again, if you guys got questions, please feel free to reach out. If I can answer any questions for you guys or help you guys out, again, we're here to help. If you guys like these videos, please help us out and smash that like button. We greatly appreciate it. And thank you very much for your time, and we'll look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.